Hello dear subscribers, finally I finished another one. This one I replaced quite a bit. It's a 1996 Daihatsu Hijet dump truck. Dump is PTO. It's a 4x4 high-low gear, and I think this one got axle lock. Yeah, I still didn't check it. I need to check the axle lock. So it's a 40,936 miles. Very nice truck. The timing belt been replaced in Japan. It's only 2,000 kilometers on the timing belt. It's been replaced recently. So I put brand new tires all around. Even spare is brand new. And look at that heavy duty stuff protecting the turn signals. This is very rare when they make them like that. Usually all these turn signals, bandit, stop signals, whatever you call them, bandit and all that. Big bumpers, like that, huge compared to other trucks. So like I said, brand new tires. I did paint the bed only a little outside, it wasn't too bad, and inside, so you can check my previous number under 61 unit, number 61. And so let's go inside. So antenna is intact, it's all good. Windshield visors, I put brand new mirrors, right and left. So when I was working on it, I realized it's been painted in Japan, and I mean, fairly good job. I wouldn't say it's perfect job, but it's been painted in Japan, yeah. So right, left, mirrors new, nice clean inside. I did put nice seat covers, very nice one. They make them in the United States. If I'm not gonna forget, I'm gonna post on description the whatever the website for them, or maybe I have it here. Just a second. Yeah, it's right here. Here's the name. Mini trucks seat covers probably.com, and you can also scan that demon. But here's the website name. Very nice. It's awesome covers, seat covers, compared to some other ones. Maybe a little expensive, but the quality is great. Yeah, I like it. It's very, very nice material. Yeah, I like that. So it's a PTO operated 5-speed manual, high-low gear. Right here is the switch. And let's go to another side. Ceiling is okay. I haven't cleaned it yet. I didn't clean inside, outside only. Maybe tomorrow. And then here, yeah, that's a differential lock, or maybe it's axle lock, differential lock, probably. Four-wheel drive here button. Got AC. AC works great on this one. We drove it to Sweetwater, delivered another vehicle, and man, this truck is awesome. So, okay, now we're going to the... Everything works on this truck, and look how all this stuff is heavy duty. All the latches. So sides comes out on folds on this dump truck. So the rear, oh help us, bunch of them. Workers. There's the little ones disappeared, hiding. Yeah, the rear opens up while you lifting it. It opens up. It's heavy duty. It's very heavy duty. mini truck, Daihatsu Hijet. Yeah, and I found some tires. They're a little bigger, 155. Looks like nice tires, so we'll see. Okay, let's go up. So I already checked the brakes on previous videos. Brakes rear and front brand new. So I put a brand new strut, top, 2-inch lift kit, and brand new strut here, right there inside. Yeah, hard to see. Yeah, it's a brand new strut. Here's the old ones. They was both kind of leaking. They were still working, but the strut tops was completely mingling. Yeah, it's not good anymore. So lift kit, strut top brand new, actual strut is brand new. Same on this side, brand new strut, brand new strut top, and brand new lift kit. Everything else is good here. I haven't test drive it. I'm going to. The next thing I replace, let's start here. So I replace the oil, and I start putting that marks 40,000 whatever kilometers, miles. Axle oil replaced, engine oil brand new filter, and like I said, the timing belt been replaced in Japan, and all the belts is perfect shape. It looks like brand new. Now I replaced the both side engine mounts, brand new. Here's another side. Here. Brand new. Now it's holding good, yeah, because before it was almost touching that bar. And brand new fuel filter, brand new air filter, and oil replaced on the transmission and transfer case also. Now also I put brand new ignition cap with rotor inside, brand new wires, brand new spark plugs, and also I put 1-inch spacer for the transmission mount, because when you put lift kit, you gotta to drop the transmission. People don't know that even 2-inch you have to drop at least 1 inch, maybe 1.5. 1 inch is good. Here is the lift kit on the rear, and when you put the that spacers, your drive shaft start looking straight. It's a little not straight right now, but when it will drop on the wheels, it will stay straight. So, and also rear axle replaced oil. Well, oils wasn't bad at all, but I did replace it anyway. So what else on this one? Oh, I need to remove that. And I think that's it, but I'm sure it was more than that. So I'm gonna check alignment. The front lights, you can buy them in any truck stop. You can buy LEDs, yeah, whatever, ILDs, ALDs. They are exactly the same on most of the semi trucks, older generation. I might have one here somewhere. Oh, yeah, they usually go on the boxes like that, kind of like that. Is that the one? No, that's another one, but any truck stop have them, yeah. I already used them on my semi truck probably. Whew, hot. And that's it. Very, very nice truck. Working truck. So I'm gonna take some pictures tomorrow and post it. Will be price range. This one, man, heavy duty AC PTO. This is a very nice truck, but it's going to be around probably 12,900. So give me a call if anybody interested on this truck. 937-510-8059 Okay, that's gonna be it. Number 61. Is that it? Yep, 61. Runs great. And now it runs probably a lot more better. Have a blessed life. I am going swim and sleep.